Yo, what is up, guys? Serge here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually monetize your social media platforms, whatever social media platform that you guys actually want to start monetizing. It could be Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube. It works for all social media platforms, and I'm gonna show you guys 5 ways on how you guys can actually monetize your social media platforms, so you guys could do this the right way. So before we get started, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. So yeah, guys, without no further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first one I actually want to do is the reward programs that most of these social media platforms are doing it. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, that actually do have a reward program. I know most of them are through invitations, like Instagram Reels. When you guys post Instagram Reels, also Facebook Reels, they give you a invitation, and that's how you guys sign up. Okay. Also with Pinterest is not meant for everyone. The Pinterest creator rewards, they're actually invitation only, but you guys do not have to have a big following. When you guys first start off, you'll probably see the invitations, but if you guys do not, don't get discouraged. There's other ways to actually start monetizing your social media account if you guys did not get this invitation, because I have not gotten my invitation for Instagram Reels or Facebook Reels, and that's fine, because I did get invited to the Pinterest creative reward, which is, I will leave it right here on how much I actually started making off this program. But there's also TikTok and YouTube. YouTube does have a requirement, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. I know Pinterest actually requires for you guys to have 200 followers, but when you guys get invited with Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels, they actually do not have a requirement of followers that you guys need to actually have to start earning money with the monetizations that they invited you to. The second one I actually like is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the side hustles that I actually do, and it's pretty good and pretty easy and simple to actually get started, because you guys do not have to have a big following to actually help you guys achieve this. If you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is basically promoting other people's products. Alright, they give you a specific link that you guys send people to. When someone clicks on your link and purchase from your link, you get a commission out of it. So let's say you guys want to promote the AirPod Pros, so you guys could just easily go on Apple or Amazon, wherever they're selling this product, and send them directly through that link. If they purchase it, you guys will actually get a commission out of this. So that's what I like affiliate marketing. The best way to actually start monetizing your social media account when you guys have 0 followers. The third one is actually selling your own digital products. Alright, yes, you might need a following for this, but this is another way that you guys can actually monetize your social media. If you're growing your account with the reward programs, with any social media reward programs, and you're getting affiliate marketing sales also, and then selling your own course, you guys will actually be making pretty good money off just those 3 things. Let's say you're in the cooking niche and you guys want to sell a cookbook, a digital cookbook at that. You guys could sell it for like $20 and make a good profit, because you guys are not selling physical products. As I know, some people actually selling physical cookbooks on the cooking niche, but a digital cookbook, you guys can actually start making that, because there's no more overheads. If you guys have a digital product, it will be way better. Let's say you want a digital course, a digital ebook, or whatever. Like let's say you have a course, you want to teach people how to grow on Instagram, or how to grow your Twitter account, or whatever you guys want to be doing. Let's say you're in the fitness niche, you guys can actually start doing another selling your own digital products, which could also be subscriptions products. Like let's say you're in the fitness niche and you guys want to start coaching people through video and stuff like that. People actually will do that. subscribe to you. It's pretty good to actually start doing digital product, but this actually does require for a big following to actually start doing that, because so you guys won't have to waste that much time, and you guys can actually have some reviews on your digital products so people could start buying from you. Right, so you guys do not have to waste your time creating it, and someone buys it. If no one buys it, you'll be discouraged and you'll just give up. So this actually requires some sort of following to actually help you achieve the monetization that you want from your social media platform. The fourth one is actually starting selling physical products. You guys could easily start selling merch, whatever merch you guys want to, hoodies, shirts, coffee mugs, cases. It's a pretty good way to actually start monetizing. There are some websites that you guys could start selling merch without even having your actual fulfillment center, like Printful, T-shirt, Spring. Or the best way to actually go with is actually start creating an e-commerce store and actually find a good product, and you still don't have to have the fulfillment with you. You guys could actually have someone else create the t-shirt that you guys want and send it directly through them. You're just using your own website, but it is a little bit more money to actually help you guys to get started that way. But if you guys want the free methods, that you guys can actually just send people directly to a different website and start making and start earning money that way, you guys can actually start doing that. But it is still a pretty good way to actually start monetizing your social media, is actually just selling merch, physical products, whatever products you guys want, that relates to your niche. The fifth one is just actually promoting somebody else's account, paying ads, getting paid for ads. So that's basically what it is. It's just you promoting somebody else's account. They pay you an amount that you guys agree to, and they send you all the information to post on on your social media account. You guys can still start making money this way, even if you don't have, let's say, 100,000 followers. All right, you guys could still start doing this, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Instagram, whether it's Twitter, whether it's TikTok. You guys could start monetizing it this way. They just pay you on what to say or what to do. Let's say they already have a video that they want you guys to use. You guys could easily do that and just put their username in their accounts or their ads. So let's say they want to start promoting a drop shipping store, they could actually just send you a link. Or any other thing they want to build their email list, they could just send you a link to that and just use you. But my recommendation is, if you guys actually seeing what they're actually promoting, because it is your followers, you guys have to be true to your followers. So you guys want to actually start doing it, make sure you guys do all your research before you guys start promoting them or start promoting their account. So you guys do not want to be discouraging your followers, because those are your followers. Those are the people that you guys worked hard to actually achieve. So you guys actually want to start doing that. That's how you guys can actually start monetizing your social media platform. 5 ways you guys can actually do this. If you guys do all of this together combined, you guys can actually make a good amount of money and leave your 9 to 5. But if you guys want to start your first side hustle, you guys could start doing that by clicking the link down below. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride